On this new tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram cold refresh feed in less than 1 minute. So first thing you have to do, guys, is very easy. Open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks. Now here, go to the airplane mode, enable it, and then wait 5 seconds. And after you wait 5 seconds, disable it again and do the same thing with the Wi-Fi. Just disable it and enable it. Go back and this time click on the apps manager like this. Go to Instagram. Now this is the app informations page. All what you have to do here is go to the power usage details, click here on force stop, and then go back, click again on this force stop right here. Now all what you have to do is restart your phone, reopen Instagram, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.